In our funded and focused feature, a valid tax compliance certificate confirms that a business is in good standing with Tax Administration Jamaica. No government contract can be awarded without it. The TCC is critical, and entrepreneurs need to learn how to obtain, verify, and maintain a TCC, and how long it remains valid, and how procurement officers confirm authenticity. It is important to understand and address common mistakes, such as submitting expired certificates or failing to update records after renewal. As an example, Trevor and our client assumed that his accountant handled that. Well, that do-it-yourself reliance caused delays when his TCC lapsed mid-application for a government contract. However, with professional coordination, he learned how to verify validity himself and maintain uninterrupted compliance.